fix WhatsApp notifications not working, home screen and status bar. So if both of your home screens and status bar notifications are not working, what you can try to do is you can simply go ahead and then first of all open up WhatsApp right here. Once you open WhatsApp and then you go to settings, you want to go to notifications and make sure you have turned on notifications here first within the app. Now after you've made sure of that, we will also go ahead and simply open settings. From settings, you can simply go to this option known as apps, and from apps we will simply scroll down and go to WhatsApp. Now from WhatsApp, right here you can see notifications. All you have to do is turn on allow notifications and make sure these options are also checked. So if you're not receiving on home screen as well as also the status bar, it most likely means that these options are also unchecked, so you want to make sure to check this. Banner style, you can choose a temporary or persistent. I would recommend that you just choose temporary, but if this doesn't help, then you can try to switch to persistent. Now after this, show previews also, that's totally up to you, and just like that you'll be able to fix the notifications of WhatsApp. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.